1 is your fingerprint sensor not working on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Clean the fingerprint sensor. Make sure the fingerprint sensor is clean and dry. Rip it gently with a soft cotton. Step 2. Clean your finger. Make sure your finger is clean and dry before using the fingerprint sensor. Step 3. Restart your phone. Restart your phone, then try using the fingerprint sensor again. Step 4. Check fingerprint settings. Go to Settings, Security, Fingerprint. Make sure your fingerprint is still saved. Step 5. Add your fingerprint again. If your fingerprint is not working properly, remove it and tap Add Fingerprint to register it again. Step 6. Check for software update. Go to Settings, Software Update and install any available update. Final tip. If the fingerprint sensor still does not work, it may have a hardware problem and should be checked by a technician. And that's it. This step should help fix the fingerprint sensor on your Android phone. Like, subscribe and share for more easy Android tips.